Welcome to our tutorial about creating a custom cut. In this tutorial, we'll create a custom cut for an isometric view. First, let's right-click on our part and select Open Part. Now let's go to the Configuration tab. We'll right-click, Add Configuration. Let's give our new configuration a name. We'll call it Cut. And let's suppress features. Use configuration-specific color. Let's opt for that as well. Let's choose a color. We'll pick green. OK. And click OK. Next, let's right-click and insert a sketch. Let's take a normal 2 view. Activate the rectangle tool. Let's create our rectangle around here. And click OK. Let's exit the sketch. Take an isometric view. Activate the Extruded Cut tool. Let's reverse the direction and choose Through All. Click OK. Now let's go back to our drawing. Expand the View palette. Let's select our part from the drop-down menu and drag in the isometric view. Let's opt for a custom scale of 1:1 and OK. Now, holding down the Control key, I select the faces to which I'll apply hatching. Annotation, Area Hatch Fill. OK. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a custom cut.